Naita, tell me more about the SpongeBob house.
When there's a SpongeBob pineapple, and then there's Squidward's house, and then they could get in the door, right?
In the door.
Yes.
And then?
And Squidward's door, it was open, and then SpongeBob's door, he had the key.
He had the key?
Yes.
And then?
And then Squidward, he lost his key.
He lost his key?
Yes.
He lost his key?
Yes.
Why?
And then it fell down, and then...
He fell down?
Yeah.
And then?
And then Squidward's head, it was like an octopus, and then SpongeBob, he's a sponge, and then in the Flying Dutchman, he wants to get the treasure, and then the Krusty Krab, and then it was stay, and then Daddy, you know that the thing when we have the Krusty Krab, right? The thing we have.
And what toys are you gonna buy when I get the money?
The Flying Dutchman, and then what you're gonna buy? The SpongeBob house and the Squidward house.
Okay. What did you learn today in school?
Good.
What did you learn, Chachis?
Do the work. My work.
Do your work?
Yes.
Give me the ABCs.
A B C D E F G H I K K L N O B Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. I know my ABCs. Next time you want to sing with me. Daddy wants to bribe me still.
And tell me your numbers.
ABCs.
Numbers, way.
I can't do that one.
Nándale, 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Wow. No sabes, estás inmenso.
Okay. Daddy.
Today we're buying, what movie are we buying today?
B-Max.
¿Cuál B-Max? Big Hero 6.
Yeah, like when my teacher had Big Hero 6.
Okay. Dile bye.
Bye.
How old are you?
4.
4. Okay.
Daddy, how